Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Alice in Borderland Season 1, Episode 2. I just watched episode 1. If you want to see my reaction video about that, I'm gonna put the link into the eye. That's it. Today I'm beginning a new show because I just finished, to binge watch Death Note and also soon The Legend of Korra. And even if I'm gonna begin Boba Fett, I already began for you, I think, Boba Fett, and also the new season of Euphoria is gonna begin. Still, I wanted to try a new show. I had the time for that, so that's it. Alice in Borderland. I wanted to try it, on my own at first, and then when I reacted to Squid Game, you were like, girl, you have to try Alice in Borderland, you're gonna love it a lot. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it, but I needed to have time on my schedule to do it. It's for now, so maybe I'm gonna be right on time for the next season. I think that we're gonna have a next season. On Netflix, when I clicked on the show, they said new season soon. No matter what, I want to try it. Today, I don't know if I'm gonna have the time to watch 1 or 2 more episodes. This one, at least, it's gonna be great, to see, how I'm feeling with this show. The first episode for now convinced me, for the story and the characters. I can see that they want to do big stuff with it, that they imagined a lot of stuff with it, and with them, it's really great. I said it during my review of the last episode, for how it's done, how it's filmed, how it's realized, and all. I can see that they want to make a good show, that they have a lot of financial resources to do it, and that they have a lot of ideas, also to film, to do stuff. Like all of these scenes with them being alone, into the city, that was really good scenes, but it would have been really amazing if they would have put maybe a little more attention on the lights, on where to put the camera. Like during several moments I was like, that's a good picture. Like, yes, it's a good idea, that situation, it's a good idea, that moment, to create that scene, to have the idea of that scene. That's a good idea, that's a good scene. Okay, that's a good picture. I have all of the things that I need to have, it's a good place, it's a good character, it's a good situation, it's bringing one message, it's well done. But for the quality, of the picture, for visually being really amazing, they could have done a little more. Like at several moments I was a little frustrated. I was like, that's good, but it could be better. And I think that maybe they can improve with that, because I thought about it between episodes, and at the end, that moment with the camera being like that on the city, we can see that all of these lasers, they are killing people into the city, and we have that dezoom, and we are discovering that girl, and that moment with the girl, that was a good picture, and during that moment they were playing with the lights and all, it was a good idea, it was a good scene, and they filmed it great, they played with the light, visually it was cool. So maybe in fact they're gonna improve with that. I think also that they're gonna improve with the sound environment. During the first episode, it was really all along the episode like a vibration, like something to stress the viewers. Maybe it was supposed to represent also the stress of the characters, the fact that they are discovering that they are participating to a game, that they are discovering that they can die because of this game. Maybe it was supposed to represent that, and it gave me the impression that if they can do that for the first episode with that intention, maybe they're gonna evolve with that during all of the season. So I'm expecting more, it's already really good, but I'm expecting more than that, because when you are creating such a show with such a big ambition for the story and also for the characters, visually, how it's done, it has to follow, to be at the same level. Because for now, the story, I have so many questions, which is so great, you know, which is proving that you imagined a big story with a lot of things, you know, like I have no series, not really, I just have questions and there are big ones and I don't know. Like at first we can think that people disappeared suddenly and you are the only ones left because we have all of this town, you know, being empty and we have things, you know, like people were there and suddenly they disappeared, like that coffee which was still hot. But with that thing, you know, about them being the only one who are staying, with some players staying also, and see, I said players, they are participating to games. If they are gonna lose, they're gonna die. If they're gonna win, they're gonna buy, in fact, days of life, you know, and after that they're gonna be forced to play again. Like, it seems like a big game in which you have little games, you know, to survive. Is it a game like, is it a virtual world where they are right now? Is it a parallel one? Do I have to consider that it's a sci-fi show? Do I have to consider that it's a modern show, you know, like with a virtual game? And it's changing a lot of things, you know, if it's a virtual thing or a parallel world. Because according to one of these decisions, it's something which was created like that, or it's someone who created it, it's a group of people who created it, who thought, you know, about all of these games. You know, I'm thinking about the cards also, maybe the cards, the different cards. Right there it was a 3, like, does it mean something more than, you know, the days of life that you are winning? This girl, she knew stuff also, like, I have really a lot of questions and no answers and no theories. And really no series for now, just a lot of questions, which is logical, you know, after one first episode where we are discovering the characters but also the basic rules of this game. And right there we discovered 3 characters, but we have also this mysterious woman who knew things, you know, about this game, like she discovered that thing about the laser really quick. And we have this other mystery woman, the one that we are seeing at the end, who seemed to be there since a long time, who seemed, you know, who is acting, positioning herself like she's a fighter, like she's a good player, she's there since a long time, something like that. So we're gonna have other characters, but we really discovered the 3 main characters. About them, Alisu, he seems like someone really clever who is not really using his brain for the good stuff. All of that story about not finding a job. That thing, you know, that Karube he said about the fact that maybe he can do something else with his life. Like, we have that thing about Alisu, like he could do something better, but he's not taking his chance, he's not using his brain enough. We have something about it. Shota, he seemed like a good guy. He's working into a regular job, into an office. He's helping his mother by giving her some money. She seems like someone really religious, something like that. And we have Karube, who can be maybe my favorite character. It made me think a lot of Onizuka, you know, the great teacher Onizuka, that anime, because of his job, because he was like that with this girl, because he fought like that, you know, really great. And you know, that little speech, which was like a little lesson of life for his friend and how he was with his friend. Yes, it made me think of a little Onizuka, so maybe I can appreciate Karube, we'll see. So we discovered these 3, we discovered the basic rules of this game, but I think that we're gonna discover more about it. And yes, I have a lot of questions and really no theories and no beginning of answers, which is logical after just the first episode. I'm gonna stop this intro right now. remember that you have my Patreon on which I'm gonna post the episodes earlier. I don't know if it's gonna be earlier during the day, if we're gonna have episodes of advance or not. Check the description to know that. And on Patreon you have, no matter what, an extended or a full reaction part. Again, check the description to know what did I put. And also it's really a windy day, so maybe it's making a lot of noise. I'm sorry for that, but it's also the perfect day, you know, for that kind of show. I'm into a mood today. I said it before the episode 1, like I watched an hour video just before beginning this show. I'm really into that kind of mood, like it's the good mood, I think, for this show. So let's go for this episode 2. Okay, it's you. You seem to be there since a long time, girl. I'm sure that for Japanese people, you know, it's really cool to have all of these places empty. No energy anymore. We made that clear. Find yourself a really old car, maybe. Since how long?
電子基板が入っている電化製品は軒並み動かない。もしかすると。電磁パルス攻撃か。なんでこれは動く？
Because it's a local thing, you know? A local server. Maybe you need to charge it? Yes.
誰と戦う気？ゾンビ。
Mm.
3人は何してたの？人が消えた時。トイレにいた。
You still think that everyone disappeared? Now I'm beginning to think that you disappeared from the real world. You or him?
仕事。
Okay, so it's not about the place where you were. It's about the people.
ここに来たのが3日前で、みんなと同じようにわけわかんないままゲームに参加して、私以外全員死んだ。
You played the game before meeting them? So that's why she knew about the laser?
地下鉄で毒ガスを使ったゲーム。みんな血を吐いてて。
How did you survive?
この世の中の人間がいなくなったの。昨日だよな、俺たち。でも塩木さんは3日前。
Shibuki? That's her name? Okay.
確かに。しかも結構野菜も腐った。時間の経ち方が普通と違うの。
But different for all of you also? No.
私たちの間で人が消えたタイミングがバラバラだってことは確かにね。
You know, it was not a tight jump
このゲー
scene
ムに関してまずはっきりしてること。
because, you know, the coffee was still out
ゲー
of
ムマス
that.
ターがいるってこ
I said it,
と。
someone
ゲームを仕組んでる。
is behind that.
それだけが確か。
Someone, an
俺が学校に入
organization.
ってる間に東京中の人間どっかに移動させて、で、
No.
こっちの動きはやっぱり合衆国政府的な北欧の IT 企業から委託されて VR 空間の中に現実と全く同じ世界を作る実験をしてるんで。さすがに
But how do you enter into it?
神様だよ。神様の仕業だよ。
No, neither.
無理だ。
It's not a virtual world if you can feel pain.
翔太を医者に見せて
I think so.
明日の夜2人でゲームに参加してるから。
What about
ま
him?
だビザ3日もあるのに俺たち2人でゲームをクリアできるようにならないとこの先翔太を守りたい。しかも医者探せんじゃん。一人やがゲーム会場が一番だ。ゲームやれば傾向とかされるかも。
Are they gonna let you enter into the new game
このゲームの
when
開
your
発者がいるとしたら
advisor didn't? How do you know?
そいつの特徴みたいなのが絶対にある。
Ooh, we have a lot of players right there.
すみません。東京の人ってどこ行っちゃったんですか？
They just disappeared for you?
何している医者いるか
You're not supposed to be there. Are you not gonna take the place of two people who were supposed to fight for their lives today? Like, it's bad in a way, no? Okay, it was not the case right there, it's cool. How many of you already played? Nitobe? You know this game? This particular one? Ah. Okay. Manipulating them? It's a physical... Oi. Seems so.
俺は信じてないっす。母ちゃんが昔からずっと宗教にハマってて。
おい、そうだ。
そのせいで学校じゃいじめられて、アリスとカルベが助けてくれた。
いい友達なんだね。
家は貧乏だし、得意なことなんかなくて、今だってこんなことになって助けてもらってばっかで。
次のゲーム一緒に行ってくれると思って。これがあるんだよ。
あいつらは違う。
じゃあ、チョンタ君は死ねるの？友達のために。
Why are you telling him that?
見極めてんの。君たちが俺の仲間にふさわしいかどうか。ざけん。何回目ですか？ああ、5回。ずっと勝ちに。
5 little games into that big game.
頼りになるのは自分だけ。
Okay, you prefer to fight all alone?
スタート位置が上がってるから、ここしかないでしょ。
To see everything and everyone? Lace out of it also.
あれ？
いや。
感じ悪い。いつも通りみんな死にそうだね。
How many games?
しぶきさんは人に裏切られてバカだったんですね。
チョンタ君と同じでしょ。
Oh, you look so cute as a kid.
辛いわね。
I don't have the impression that she's sincere with me. It's someone or it's... Why do I think of an animal? Hide. Good call. So it means that it's someone who is involved into the games, organizing them, or is it a game for that person? Or... Can't you put your phone into a silent mode? Don't go. Don't go! Oh, no, guys, no. What about your survival instinct, you know? No, really? Karube? No. I'm sorry, I'm thinking about the look of that person. His clothes and all. It's not someone involved into the games, you know, like a mastermind. It's one of the players. crying?
本当は上司とやってたんだ。本当嫌なやつだった。
You did?
仕事してたんじゃん。仲間でもないやつらに本当のこと話す必要ある？似た者同士仲良くしましょう。
Why do I have the impression that you're manipulating him right there? It's weird because she feels sincere and at the same time not at all, you know, sincere about what she's saying, but about her intentions, not at all. Yes, you can't get out. You're gonna lose your virginity, you.